work on what matters. Start your dropshipping business with a minimal costs. Using a dropshipping supplier means saving on inventory space and not paying for products until you have sold them. Work on what matters, fulfill and ship orders with only a few clicks. Dropshipping suppliers free up time to perfect your products, optimize your marketing, and talk with your customers. Test for success, experiment with new product suppliers and sales channels. Dropshipping is a low risk way to find what works best for you and your business. Sell globally. Grow your business by selling to customers all over the world. Many dropshipping suppliers offer worldwide warehousing and fulfillment.